everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, hello, welcome, so glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm really excited as always because I'm going to be sharing with you my natural, no heat curls. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I just woke up from a nap, so I have slept on these curls just a little bit, so I kind of like pin them back. But you will get to see the full routine and kind of how the curls are shaped. Honestly, my hair, I'm gonna like tell you guys a little bit about my hair before we jump into this video. So when I moved from Alberta, where the climate is very dry and just dry, you know what I mean if you're from there, to Toronto where the climate is a lot more humid, my hair definitely evolved and began to get a lot more curl to it. When I was 19, I had I had a little bit of wave to my hair, but now I'm 22 and my hair is literally ringlets. I used to like pray for curly hair because seriously guys, I'm trying to film a video. I used to literally pray for curly hair because I love the look of curls, and God came through and he blessed me with curls once I moved here. But honestly, I think it also has to do with the climate that I'm in. It's very humid, my hair tends to curl a lot more. So with that being said, I'm just gonna speak about the main product that I use just really fast because I did a voiceover in this video and I didn't get to really highlight it as much as I wanted to. So I bought this randomly, I was in Niagara Falls and I forgot to bring mousse, so I went to the drugstore and I just picked this up randomly. I needed it and it blew me away, you guys. This is not like a classic mousse, this is a leave-in treatment foam. So I got home and looked at it again and I was like, oh, did I just buy like a leave-in conditioner? And it's not, like it actually works like a mousse. With this product, I can actually like run my fingers through my hair and it's not super like stiff or anything. That's a really big thing that I look for in mousses and products like this. So I really love this. If you are doing like the twisting technique like I show you in this video, this product is amazing because it really like coats your hair and makes it seamless when you're twisting your curls. So I am gonna stop talking. I hope that you all enjoy this video, and yeah, definitely let me know if you try it out. Tweet, or I don't even tweet you guys, Instagram me some photos if you end up trying it out, and yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. Alright, first things first, once we jump out of the shower, I'm just going to towel dry my hair a tiny bit, and then I go in with a little bit of organic coconut oil. I love coconut oil for my hair because it helps with the frizziness, and it also is like using a serum without needing a serum. So this is also the foam that we're going to be using. This is a 7-in-1 treatment foam, so it's not actually a mousse. I bought this randomly one day and I wasn't expecting it to be as amazing as it is. I have gone through a couple bottles of this already and it just really defines those curls and leaves them very bouncy and not crunchy, if you know what I mean. I usually just section off the top half and then separate the bottom half into two smaller sections. So I put a little bit more foam in my hair just so the hair is really nice and coated. It just makes doing this technique a lot easier because we are twisting the hair around our finger and then like sliding it through. I also just make sure to scrunch the curls a little bit, that way we're defining them and setting them a little bit more. And I also alternate the directions of the curls, that way we can achieve that body and volume because the curls aren't all piecing together. So yeah, that's what they look like once we make our way through our hair. And usually if my hair starts drying a little bit, I will just wet it because you want your ends to curl as well. I will say this hairstyle definitely takes a little bit of practice. This used to take me about 45 minutes to do my whole head, and now I can do it in about 10 to 15 minutes. So just practice twisting your hair, and this is what the ringlets will look like. Now I'm just gonna let my hair air dry while I do my makeup. I usually let my curls air dry, but you can definitely go in with a blow dryer. And this is what our hair looks like. And I will just go through and separate some of the larger curls, that way we get a little bit more body, but this is what the curls look like once we are all finished. Super easy, super simple, and they're very shiny, just bouncy curls. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Mwah!